Hi, we're here with Dave Hyde to take us through improvements in Replication Director and NDMP. Is that right, Dave?
It is. Thank you, Bill. All right, so what are we doing with Replication Director in general? Well, with Replication Director, we are able to take a client that has a volume mounted from a NetApp filer, and we're able to make a snapshot of it. So I'm just going to write in snap right here. And using the Replication Director and an SLP, we are able to take this information and mount it up, typically to a media server. And once we've mounted that up, we're able to see what's on it, and we can index it. And if you recall what indexing is, that is the catalog on the master server. We're building the information in the catalog to tell us what is on this snapshot. Because once we've mounted this snapshot up, it's just a basic file system. NetBackup has the ability to go dig through the file system and determine what is on the snapshot. Thus, we're able to create the catalog. Well, that's not the case with the NDMP policy type. With NDMP, because of the way that the data is mounted or the information is stored on the filer, we don't know what's on it. So we can still create an NDMP snapshot on the client, but we can't mount it up and see what's on it. If we mount it, the information just doesn't even look like information. It's similar to mounting a raw volume. We just simply don't know what's on there. So what we've done is working with NetApp and using the snapdiff feature within NetApp, that has allowed us to take the NDMP snapshot, and instead of mounting it up, we are leaving it on the filer itself, and we're able to get into the snapshot, into the NDMP box, for lack of a better term, and see what's in there. And we're able to do that by adding credentials to the filer. So in a nutshell, what we're doing is, instead of the traditional snapshot where we're going to mount it up and run an indexing step, we're simply going to communicate from the master server using credentials into the NetApp filer. That's going to give us access to the NDMP snapshot, and that access is going to allow us, using snapdiff, to be able to go in and index that information, put the information into the NetBackup catalog. And that's the difference between a standard Replication Director snapshot and indexing and being able to do so with the NDMP policy type.
Great. Thank you, Dave. Great presentation.
Thank you.